Hi everyone, I thought I would just make a quick video to tell you that I've started a new channel. So when I started vlogging on here all those years ago, it was mainly to do with behind the scenes of what I was sewing and behind the scenes of my business. And as time went on, I took you on trips with me to France and to Disney, and it became more about my life as well. And then I stopped in 2020. But recently I've been missing vlogging, so I started vlogging again last week, and I've put the first 2 vlogs up, but they're so much about my life and not about the business and sewing now that I thought it was time to pop them on their own channel and separate the two. So I will still be making all my sewing content here, but I'm going to move all my vlogs over to Vicky Rockstars, and I'm also going to expand the content that I do there as well, because I really want to make videos of all the other creative things I do. So if you've watched the 2 vlogs I put up this week, I talked about my new house and how I'm decorating it. I want to show you how I decorate, how I upcycle furniture. I'm going to do the house tour that I've promised you and the garden tour that I promised you. I want to do more cooking videos now. I've got my fabulous big kitchen. I want to do more fashion and travel and shopping and thrifting and just all of the creative things that go on in my life. So if that's your sort of thing, hop on over to @Vicky Rockstars and subscribe there, and I will start uploading videos there very soon. Or if you're watching this in the future, there's already videos up there for you to watch.